Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program using Kotlin programming language to ask the user to give a word or a string, and then our program will check whether the given string or a word is a palindrome or not. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here fun main. It is a starting point of every Kotlin program. We have here left curly bracket, begin, print, enter a word, and then I declare a variable here val input equals red line question mark dot lowercase. So basically in this line of code, I declare a variable input, and then it will ask the user to give a word or string, and then it will convert into a lowercase format. Now the reason behind why I convert the given word into lowercase format, because when we are writing a program just like this one, we are anticipating that the user might type a word or a string combination of uppercase or lowercase letter, or all lowercase or all uppercase letters. So when that particular thing will happen, definitely our program will give us a wrong output or result. It will give us not a palindrome, especially the word, for example, is Anna. Anna, the first letter is capital A followed by small letter a, and the third letter will be capital A. So when it will check by our program, definitely because of uppercase and lowercase, it is not the same, no? In terms of checking in our system, it will fall to not a palindrome. So to avoid that problem to occur, so we put some function to automatically, even though it is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letter, it will convert into lowercase. Okay, so it is called in computer programming defensive programming. If input the string equals input reversed, a reversed is a function in Kotlin that will reverse the word if the given word or string is the same. If it is true, begin, print, whatever the word is, $input is a palindrome. Else, if it is false, the given word, $input is not a palindrome, we close, and then we close the main body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of the tutorial video for today. Kindly see the link in the video description. Okay, let us go to our online GDB to run the program. Let us click the run button here, and then let us wait for a while because online GDB is connected to the internet, so the response is depend on the internet connectivity that we have. Okay, let us wait for a while. Okay, let's say for example we have here radar, capital R, capital A, small letter D, capital A, and small letter R. Again, in this example, the word radar is a palindrome. Take a closer look. It is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letter. When I press the enter key, correct, it will convert into lowercase. Radar is a palindrome. Okay, let us run second time around. How about the word programmer? The word programmer, guys, is not a palindrome, definitely. Programmer. Press the enter key from our keyboard. Programmer is not a palindrome. Last example, let's say the word Anna. Okay, capital A and A. Okay, Anna is a palindrome. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on string palindrome in Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys, and your support for the growth of my channel. Without you, I am nothing. Okay, so please always watch with my video, and if you are new with my channel, please like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.